Hey y'all, we are back with another DIY, and today we're going to do the DIY flower jeans. So at first we're going to start off with my jeans. My jeans are from Walmart, and then we're going to add the E6000 glue to this to help everything stay together. You can do a glue gun as well. And then I picked up some flowers from the Dollar Tree. So I have a variety of different colors, nice spring colors to add. And then we're going to need a pair of scissors or shears to cut off the ends of the flowers. So first up first, I'm going to actually take my flowers and I'm just going to kind of take them off the stem. So there I am, just kind of pulling them off the stem. Easy pull off, something nice and simple. And I'm going to repeat that for all of the flowers. So I have different colors. So I have pink, I have orange, I have blue. So here are all of the flowers. I took all the stems off of all of the flowers. And then I'm just going to kind of spread them out. And then I'm going to actually take my scissors and cut off the end of the flower. So if you cut off the end of the flower, it makes it a little bit more flat, so the flower will actually stay on the jeans. So there's the first one. I cut off the stem. So I'm just going to kind of place it on the jeans to kind of visualize everything. I'm going to take another, maybe like a yellow one. So with the flower jeans, there's no specific tactic to the jeans. It's whatever you want. You can have a few flowers. You can have a jean full of flowers. So here I'm just kind of organizing the flowers just the way that I want them to. So of course I have some blue flowers here. So of course we're going to take off the clip end of this. So I feel like the key to this is make sure you guys remove the back of the stem so the flowers can lay. It helps them to stay on a little longer. You can also cut them in half. So now I'm going to take my E6000 glue and I'm going to apply the glue straight to the back of the flower. So I feel like I put a generous amount. So you want a good amount of the E6000 glue, or if you have your glue sticks as well. So that's the first one. And then some of the flowers from the Dollar Tree, to be honest, they have like an extra backing to them. So you might want to take the extra backing out of the flower, or just put another thing of glue like around the seam of it. Some of them are flatter than the others, some are not so much. So you kind of got to work that glue into the flower and hold them on there for a few seconds so they would stick. So even if you have to go back and just add some more glue into it, just hold them on so they will stick. So here I am just kind of holding on to some of them. So I'm going to work through these a little bit. So of course I decided to do some nice bright colors. Of course you can do whatever colors you want, whatever colors that you desire. Go ahead and do them. So I stuck with some of like the pink, yellow, orange, some blue and purple. And again, all of these are from the dollar store. So y'all, this is my arrangement of my jeans. I went ahead and just kind of laid out everything on the jeans, and I like mine a little bit more uniform. So I thought this design was really cute, and I added them all throughout the jeans. So here are the jeans. Let me know. Hit that subscribe button. Bye.